Isbel, this yellow Stearman. Now we got a girl in the front seat. Frank Isbel. Come on, Frank. Come on, Frank. The FAA is here. But
I'm not going to learn to fly. I might as well just take a plane.
You're getting a ride.
Yeah, Herr Pilot, bring us here.
Baron, how about if you teach the girl to fly?
Yeah, I can teach you to fly. You
Okay.
want to fly?
Yes.
What happened to your hat? It needs to be pointy.
You don't need to ask any questions about what happened to my friend.
Oh, okay. Well, you're just a leftover pilot, and I don't know what to do with
The
leftovers
yellow
here.
tiger.
I was still a very good pilot back in my day. You want to learn to fly? I can
The butterfly.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can trust you.
She can trust me. What do you think?
No.
Yeah, I hear a couple people say yes.
Okay, I don't think it's going to go so well. We'll give it a shot.
The oldest airplane on the field, late 20s design, Travel Air. Again, a Lloyd Stearman design from the 20s. Chuck Tippett flying Big Red. This one has the ailerons up here. Now this is a Model E. The Model E, they had 12? Yeah. 4,000, but there was 12 engines that came with this airplane. And this was the E series. E series had the Lycoming.
Gonna get this Travel Air started up. Here he goes. John Weyrich.
220 horsepower, Continental seven-cylinder engine, built in Western Michigan. Hartford, Connecticut. Engine had more than yours today. For the Circus, we're not all good. We're going to do some great aeronautics for us. 985 cubic inches, 450 horsepower, built in Hartford, Connecticut. First Firmin starts a 220 horsepower seven-cylinder engine, built in Western Michigan. Has a 300 horsepower Lycoming. So we're going to keep up the following distance, yes? All right, Darren, I don't mess around here.
No, pilot, I use this way to teach lady to fly. Wait. So I think I will teach the lady to fly later.
Yeah, you better not do that again. What you're watching is a reenactment of the training that took place during World War II. Pilots are taxiing out to the south end of the field. They'll be taking off when you stand so that people can see me and not be blocked by you. There we go. Outstanding. I'll keep walking this way until you keep from blocking. No, you have to walk that way. Ah, boy. Remember, if you're in back of me, they can't see me. If I'm in front of you, back of you, they can't see you. Now we got it. All right. This took place thousands of times across the country, thousands of times a day. Look at that beautiful gaggle of airplanes. Some of the airfields would have 200 Stearmans out there. You had to know which one you were going to get into. Put it in your logbook. And then you would spend 65 hours flying these primary trainers. You'd learn how to take off and land all by yourself. That usually took 10 or 15 hours. And then you go up and practice formation flying and basic aerobatics.
The formation takeoff.
Stall and spin recovery. About 40,000 of those Continental seven-cylinder engines were built. They were built in Michigan. And the reason a lot of things were built in Michigan, all car manufacturing came to a screeching halt at the start of World War II. Complete stop. You couldn't buy a new car. Even if you could, there was a gasoline and oil shortage. And a rubber shortage. And there were ration cards for all of the above. Checking the magnetos, 2 magnetos per engine. We check them both out. Here we go. You can make a video. I'll be quiet. What is the number 8 airplane? That is a Weyrich aircraft company.
Led by our president, Justin Currier.
Seats 2 in the front. As up goes the red